What's going on, everybody? First off, you're gonna have to excuse all of this. I was sick yesterday and I'm still feeling a little under the weather, but today is Mother's Day. We can't have a Mother's Day like yesterday because Cailey took care of the kids from dusk till dawn last night, and yeah, she's just a rock star, and yesterday was a prime example why she deserves a fantastic Mother's Day, because she's a fantastic mother. So we're gonna try to rush to the store because I had a busy week, so I wasn't able to get any Mother's Day stuff. I was planning on taking care of it yesterday, but then I got sick, so we're gonna try to time a trip to the store between trips to the bathroom, if that's too much information. Okay, guys, what do we end up getting? Cupcakes. Okay. Woo. Per the kids' instructions, I let them kind of take the reins on this. So we got some mom cupcakes. They wanted bubble bath, which I thought was a good idea. And so I went with a avocado super moisturizing bubble bath because Cailey has had a hard time with dry skin, so I figured that would work. And then I also got her some mineral soak as well because mom needs some times off in the bathtub, so I thought that was good. And of course you can't have Mother's Day without flowers, but fun fact, Cailey prefers real flowers over cut flowers. So we got her some pretty orchids. Yeah, is the camera dirty or something? Can you see him better now? Much better. Oh, and lastly, we're in line to get mommy some special coffee. But apparently everybody had this idea. So, yeah.
6.5 hours later.
Mother's Day, hello. Okay, so it's Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day, all you mothers out there. Are you having a good Mother's Day, Annabelle? Oh, you know why? Because you're not a mother. Top of the mountain. Let's see how this hike goes. What do you say, baby? Huh? You ready? Ready. We're making our way up the mountain. We have a little bit of a complainer over here, but I get it. She's doing good. She's doing good. Forrest, you doing okay, bud?
Just wiggle it out. Wiggle out some energy.
Good.
Yeah, you can.
Happy Mother's Day, first off, to all of you mothers out there. We're just taking a little Mother's Day hike with the kids. Look at this scenery. So beautiful. We're climbing up. Beautiful mountain. Love it. Look at those. Super pretty. Quite cool. What do you think? This is the coolest stuff. Look at this, Tyler. It's like
You're almost here, Annabelle. Be careful. What do you think? Annabelle, what do you think?
Wet, wet.
Forrest, what do you think? Forrest, what do you think, buddy?
What do you think, Dale?
Like it? Cool.
Not the wisest thing I've ever done, but that's kind of cool if you ask me.
I'm warm.
Oh, that's,
There we are.
there they are.
So beautiful. That was a fun hike. Fun Mother's Day activity. You guys rock. Thanks for being a part of it with me.
Mommy,
Yeah.
I want to say you're the best mom ever.
Oh, that's so sweet. Thank you.
Take exit 275 onto Pleasant Grove.